Greetings, students. Today, what I'm going to be talking about is a rather daunting topic, which is colloquially known, or generally known, as nuclear physics. This is quite a diverse topic, somewhat alluding to its infamous reputation. So, what this lecture will be going over is a simplified view of nuclear fission. However, some things do tie into other subsets of nuclear physics. So if, say, something's relevant in a different field, it's my job to elaborate that, so long as it still relates to our present topic. Now, let's define the term nuclear physics. Nuclear fission is what's known as an elemental transmutation. Here, what it means is that the initial element changes into a completely different element through changing its chemical structure, its mass, and its volume. And of course, fission involves the decaying process of, most importantly, its nuclei. Henceforth, the name. Of course, when the nucleus splits up, it creates two smaller nuclei, which are known as fission products. Without an example, though, this seems rather arbitrary. Fair not. Here's an example. Take the uranium-235 ion, and it absorbs another neutron, and so it has to go into the nucleus. This creates a uranium-236 ion, which now has excitation energy, which means it just moves quite frequently, and by extension, kinetic energy, and we also have the forces keeping this new neutron together. Now, this makes this nuclear uranium-236 ion unstable, and as such, it has to split apart into two new substances, the fission products. This process, of course, releases some spare neutrons, and more importantly, a large amount of energy. To make this seem more familiar, what has just been done is a scaled-down version of how nuclear power plants, nuclear vehicles, and weapons of mass destruction work. This is well and all, however, how does this impact your career? This is a key question. You see, to be quite honest, aside from the basics which I've taught you, you don't really need all this sort of advanced stuff for later down the line if you want a physics career. To conclude, nuclear physics is a simple concept. One element changes into another through its chemical formula being changed, and the result of this is the nucleus splitting into two and releasing a lot of energy, which can lead to a chain reaction. You may leave.